Good morning, students. My name is Sunil and I welcome you all in the first video lecture of class 10th chemistry. This is an introductory lecture in which we are going to spend some time in the overview of the chapters which we will be studying during this course. You have to study 5 chapters in class 10th chemistry and about which we will see in some time in this video. But before that, let's try to understand what is chemistry and how we are going to define chemistry. I believe that you should try to learn the definition at least because you are going to spend a lot of time with chemistry as a subject. So the definition of chemistry is the dimension of science which deals with the properties, composition, structure of substances, the transformations they undergo and the energy that is released or absorbed during these processes. So basically chemistry क्या है? Chemistry साइंस का वो ब्रांच है या फिर डायमेंशन है जिसमें हम डिफरेंट मटेरियल्स की प्रॉपर्टीज, composition, structure and the reactions shown by them, transformation shows here, the reaction and the changes in them they undergo and the energy released during these transformations or absorbed during these transformations. इन सब चीजों के बारे में हम केमिस्ट्री में पढ़ते हैं. बच्चों, आपको एक बात ध्यान रखना है कि in chemistry basically people say that chemistry is a subject of mugging. You have to remember a lot of things, but what I say is try to remember some specific technical terms. Just like that in this definition, some technical terms are properties, composition, structure, transformations, energy, released, absorbed. Basically these are some important terms which you should use while writing the definition, and the rest of the part, the rest of the line you can define or frame in your own language. You do not need to remember the whole thing. Just try to remember some technical terms. These are very important to score good marks in chemistry. So throughout the course a lot of concepts will be discussed and you have to carefully try to understand the terms which I will be using during the explanation of those concepts, and you have to remember those technical terms and you can use those terms while writing the answers in the exam or the test in which you will appear in your school or in the CBSE board exam. If you will miss those technical terms, then you may lose some marks. So these technical terms are very important and very easy to remember as well after you understand the concept. So now let us see what are the chapters which you have to study in class 10th chemistry. These are basically the 5 chapters which you have to study. The first one is chemical reactions and equations. Second is acid, base and salts. Third, metal and non-metals. Fourth, carbon and its compounds. Fifth, periodic classification of elements. So let's talk in brief about these topics or what we are going to study under these topics. The first one, as the name suggests, we are going to study about the chemical reactions which are shown by some specific compounds or substances, and the equations, or basically how we are going to represent those chemical reactions. We are going to study about these things under this topic. In the second chapter we will be studying about acid, bases and salts and some chemical reactions shown by them. In the third topic we are going to study about metal and non-metals, about their origin, and we are going to study about their physical and chemical properties and some important reactions shown by these elements, metal and non-metals. In the fourth topic, basically it's a part of another branch of chemistry which is organic. From here your organic starts. It's a part of organic chemistry, and from class 11th onwards you will be studying a lot about carbon, but in this class, in class 10th, you have basically a brief introduction about carbon and its compounds. In the fifth topic we are going to study the classification of elements periodically. Okay, so as the name suggests that we are going to classify the elements on the basis of some specific properties. In the periodic table you must have learned about the word periodic table, or you have heard earlier also. So students, these are the 5 topics which we have to cover in this class of class 10th. I will be explaining each and every concepts which are under these topics, and you have to understand very carefully. I will explain those concepts in a very simple manner so that it becomes very clear to you and you will be able to apply those concepts in the exams. I will be using both the languages to explain, Hindi and English, so that the students who are comfortable with English as well as वो बच्चे जो हिंदी में सहजता महसूस करते हैं are comfortable in understanding the concept. So our aim here is to understand the concept and not the language. Okay. One more thing. While going through the course, if you face some difficulty or you may have some doubt, then you can definitely post your doubts in the comment section. We will surely reply to those comments and try to solve your doubts. And you can also join our Telegram channel. The link will be in the description. And in the Telegram channel, our whole team is available. Basically, we are going to upload the video series of different subjects, and our whole faculty member will be there to help you with your doubts. So surely you can join our Telegram channel. So that's all for today's video, guys. In the next video, I will start the first chapter of class 10th chemistry, which is chemical reaction and equations. See you in the next video. Thank you. Good luck.